No, you're good. What are you doing? One already on the side. Eee! Oh! 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 Bro! Hold it nice on.
Hit a nigga with the K, time to pull a ghost. Hit his
Bustin' like at the bottom of the hill with that's crazy.
Let me see your hands, motherfucker! I'll kill you all! No fuck!
499
I got me.
Let's see the start looking.
Gotta be there on the phone.
Breathe the headline of sun.
Kelly.
Danny dispatch, is he okay?
I think I'm okay. Just put us on it.
Woo. Come on, bro, don't make me squeeze through there, man. Move up a little bit. He wasn't even looking back. Wow, sorry about that, bro.
Okay. It doesn't do anything. The thing was way back when. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, if I didn't even try to move or react, maybe it would have scraped us. Look, he's back all the way to the street. And was back sitting, looking right there. He pulled right in front of the thing. Pulled literally right in front of that, whatever that is.
One that saved this country from just going by what Norm had to say and later
What?
by videoing this. Because supposedly there was no video, we would believe this.
I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
I did not see you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Regresar el reloj y
Jim Crown's in Bull Shoals.
Here's Met 7. They now advise on 178. Fort Jackson County, right next to the park.
Play by the state around you.
1047.
State's got lead.
TVA.
25, stay with them.
1047.
Harrison, I'll break that.
Driver side rear tire slide.
1047.